The problem that occurs if you own a Dodge Magnum is you have to replace the tail light bulb, and to get this off, you have to get a plastic wing nut off of that thread, and that is sitting right behind here in that hole, and there's not a lot of room to maneuver, so it drops and falls in that little abyss, and it's impossible to get out unless you're real lucky with a rod with some tape on it or something like that. Otherwise you have to take this off and then take some of the other stuff off, and it's a real pain to get to. As an alternative, you can buy a plastic wing nut like this. The official one from a Dodge dealership is around $7 to $12. You can get one on Amazon for 18 bucks. But this was a pack of 2 that I got for 80 cents. 87 cents with tax. And it's a 1/4 plastic wing nut. And that fits right onto here. And it might not be a perfect fit, but it doesn't really matter as long as it holds. So just put it on. And thread that on. And that's a 1/4 nylon nut, and if I can find a link of something similar on Amazon, I'll just put that in the description below.